Sunday morning. I'm in the garage. This is my first garage video. Excuse the mess. Today I got to do a starter on this Can Am Defender HD10. It's a 2016. Here's the starter. Got that ready, and some tools that we're going to need to install it. These are to remove the clutches. Some tools that we'll be needing to get to that stuff. What I'm going to do now is get this all prepped, disconnect the battery, jack this thing up, take off the rear wheel, make some space, get everything accessible, and then I'll start a video with a breakdown of removing stuff and installing the rest. Myself out of the garage. Back together, battery connected.